You know the noise your car makes. You have heard it every morning for years, so when a new one shows up at idle, you notice it before any warning light does. Could a phone on the wing notice it too? Researchers recorded engine audio in 50 specialist workshops. 100 recordings, 6 diesel vehicles, 3 models, at idle and at full load, all of it on an ordinary smartphone microphone. They staged 3 conditions: intake hose off, 1 injector switched off, and a healthy engine. Telling those apart by ear takes years, which is why you pay for the diagnosis before you know what is wrong. Nothing listens to the sound. A wavelet transform crushes each recording into 576 numbers, a filter keeps the 56 that carry information, and 10 classifiers are set loose on what is left. Given 90% of the recordings to learn from, 2 of the models got every single held-out recording right, 100%. Under cross-validation, 100% again, with no variation at all. Here is the honest part. Trained on 70% of the data instead of 90, that same model fell to 83, and the simplest model scored a flawless 100 on recordings it had already heard and 57 on ones it had not. 3 faults, 6 vehicles, 100 recordings, and the authors flagged that phone microphones vary. What this shows is that a fault leaves an audible fingerprint, not that the phone in your pocket can find it yet.